stop so you can see the tires and pavement again. So we've used that term 2 times, Mendy. We stop so we can see tires and pavement when it's typically a car. The bigger the vehicle, the bigger the space I encourage. So if it's a truck, you stay further back to try to retain your peripheral vision. Okay. If it's a bus, a London Transit bus, I leave the length of the bus in front. Why? So that if I choose to make a lane change around the bus, I have room within my lane to accelerate and come around. So you need a smaller window of opportunity. It has nothing to do with aggression, right?
Yes.
It has to do with technique.
Yes.
If you stop typically behind a bus, you have to pull out, then you get to accelerate. So you'll need a bigger window of opportunity.
Makes sense, yeah.
And also, we encourage everybody nowadays, because of distracted driving, that when you brake, check your rear view. You want to see, are the people paying attention behind you, or are they doing what I call hashtag the crotch watch, looking at their phones, God forbid.